Your home's entry door is more than just an access point. It's a statement of style, a shield for your family, and a crucial factor in your home's energy efficiency. For homeowners in Fort Worth, upgrading your entry door is one of the smartest investments you can make. Whether you're looking to enhance curb appeal, improve security, or lower your utility bills, there's no better time than now to take action. Here's why upgrading your entry doors should be at the top of your home improvement list. Enhanced security for peace of mind. Fort Worth residents understand the importance of feeling safe and secure in their homes. Over time, entry doors can become worn, warped, or weakened, making them vulnerable to break-ins. Modern entry doors are designed with security in mind, featuring advanced materials, reinforced frames, and high-quality locks. By upgrading to a new entry door, you can prevent forced entry with reinforced steel or fiberglass construction, benefit from smart locks for keyless entry and remote access, eliminate weak points, such as outdated door hardware or deteriorating frames. An upgraded entry door doesn't just protect your home, it provides peace of mind for your family. Boost curb appeal and home value. Your entry door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn-out or outdated door can detract from your property's overall appearance. On the other hand, a stylish, modern entry door can instantly elevate your home's curb appeal. For homeowners planning to sell their property in the future, an upgraded entry door is a cost-effective way to increase market value. Studies show that replacing an entry door can yield a significant return on investment, often recouping more than 70% of the cost during resale. Whether you prefer a bold, colorful design or a classic, elegant look, custom entry doors can transform the exterior of your Fort Worth home. Improve energy efficiency. The Texas heat is no joke, and your home's entry door plays a critical role in maintaining indoor comfort. Older doors often allow drafts and heat to seep in, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and driving up energy bills. Upgrading your entry door can provide better insulation with energy-efficient materials like fiberglass or steel. Reduce air leakage through advanced weather stripping and tight-fitting frames. Lower energy costs by maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. For Fort Worth homeowners, investing in an energy-efficient entry door means not only saving money but also contributing to a more sustainable future. Protection against weather and wear. Fort Worth weather can be unpredictable, from intense heat in the summer to sudden storms in the spring. Over time, exposure to these elements can cause entry doors to warp, crack, or fade. A new entry door is designed to withstand the demands of the local climate, offering superior resistance to moisture and UV damage, durable finishes that resist peeling, chipping, and fading, storm-resistant features, such as reinforced cores and impact-resistant glass. By upgrading now, you can ensure your home remains protected and attractive, no matter what Mother Nature throws your way. Take advantage of modern technology today's entry doors are more than just functional, they're smart. Many new doors come equipped with cutting-edge features that add convenience and security, such as built-in video doorbells for real-time monitoring, integrated keypads for keyless entry, smart locks that can be controlled via smartphone apps. These modern features not only enhance your home's security but also align with the tech-savvy lifestyles of Fort Worth homeowners. Flexible financing options make it affordable. Many Fort Worth homeowners delay upgrades because they're concerned about the cost. However, local door experts often provide flexible financing options to make your investment manageable. With promotions, payment plans, and rebates available, upgrading your entry door has never been more accessible. Don't wait. Upgrade your entry door today. Fort Worth homeowners have plenty of reasons to upgrade their entry doors now. From enhanced security and improved energy efficiency to stylish designs that boost curb appeal, a new entry door is a small change that delivers big benefits. Don't wait for drafts, rising energy bills, or weather damage to force your hand. Take the proactive step of upgrading today. Contact a trusted Fort Worth door expert to explore your options and find the perfect entry door for your home. It's time to make a lasting investment in your home's safety, style, and efficiency.